Kitten Play was in 3, and this is a minuet. And minuets are also in 3 like waltzes, but it's a different dance. But it's a dance in 3 as well. We had another minuet already by Türk, Daniel Gottlob Türk. This is the minuet by James Hook. And it's around the same time. They lived at around the same time period. And it would be either classical or Baroque. I'm not sure where she has this classified. On the prospectus, I have indicated which era each piece is from. Okay, so this is the minuet in 3, and it sounds like this. Make sure you get the right starting point. So this is a 2 parts. Each part repeats. Second part begins loud. Echo. A little louder. That's the hard part at the end, and that also repeats. I didn't repeat that time. And you don't even really need to repeat the 2 parts for your video submission if you don't want to. You can, it doesn't matter. The music sounds pretty complete without doing the repeat. And this triplet here, so you have 1, 2, 3, a 1 and a 2, 3. So it's an 8th note triplet, 3 in the space of 2 regular 8th notes. So it's 1, 2, 3, a 1 and a 2, 3 instead of 1 and 2. It's 1 and a 2. The fingering they have is the second finger because these are a little stronger than using 3, 4, 5. I used 3, 4, 5, but they suggest switching from your 4th finger to your 2nd finger to begin the triplet like this, and then crossing over. So it depends on how strong your fingers are. If you've been doing your exercises and your scales, they should be strong enough to use 3, 4, 5. But that's up to you. Everybody's different. Okay. So this is pretty straightforward with the melodies, and the hand positions are pretty static. You don't have to move your hands around a whole lot in this one. Okay. Watch the dynamics. Notice instead of the phrase marking, the composer uses the word legato. So you can describe how you want the music with just words. And here you have a vocal rit at the end. Here he has the legato signed again. This little 2-note slur means you could play it like this. Technically, to be exact about it, you would. I don't think it sounds bad to play it all legato. But I guess technically you should make a little break between this note and this note. So it's hold, bounce, bounce. And same thing with your left hand. And same thing here, only softer. If you want to just do it legato, you can do it that way too. Artistic license.